Good morning everyone. Today we'll start elbow sleeves. Already we done with the short sleeves. Today we'll draft elbow sleeves. For the elbow sleeves also I am using regular drafting. See. And what are the measurements needed for the elbow sleeves? Sleeve length, sleeve round, front arm and back arm. In between values also how much it is there we need to check. For the 5 inches how much, 8 inches how much, and full length. Okay, for the full length is also how much. We need to take all the measurements and how to draft it. Let's see. Now same, whatever the shape is there, same you have to draft it first. Next front part also. Now from here we'll take full length. Here the full length is 9 inches. 9 plus 1, 10 inches. Whatever the full length is there, full length plus 1 inch extra. Draw one straight line. Sleeve round marking. Sleeve round is 9 inches. Whatever the sleeve round is there, sleeve round divided by 2. 9 divided by 2, 4.5 inches. And margin 1 inch extra. And front arm. Front arm is 9.5 inches. From here we should check front arm. (9.5 inches) and back arm is 9.25 inches. From here we need to check back arm 9.25 inches. Now mark the center of these two. Okay, from here take 1 inch inside margin. Okay, now join from here to here. This is normal regular. In case if you want perfect fitting and all, for this we need to check in between values also. Okay, 5 inches. 5 inches plus half inch extra for the stitching, 5.5, and for 8 inches means 8.5. In between values also round we need to check. Now for the 5 inches sleeve round is 11. 11 divided by 2, 5.5 inches. And for the 8 inches sleeve round is 10. 10 divided by 2, 5 inches. See here, if you are observing, whatever the gap is there, this is the extra. Okay, here only will be getting loose. Okay, if you want this much losing, then from here to here mark the center. You can join this line from this center marking. Otherwise if you want losing and all, you can leave like that. Now join from here to here. Like this. Okay, this is your final marking. From here take 1 inch margin. Okay, this is your final marking. This is for the elbow sleeves. Then start cutting. Okay, now how to do the finishing. For this sleeve I will attach the piping. How to do the piping and all, let's see. For piping and all, okay, take 1.5 inch width one piece, and this is piping thread. Place piping thread inside this one Before that we need to change the pressure foot. For piping we need single pressure foot. Place this one inside and stitch at the edge. Right side, take right side and attach for 1/2 inch. Okay, wrong side you will be getting like this, one fold and another fold. Okay, wrong side you will be getting like this and right side you will be getting like this. Then attach side fitting. Done. You will be getting sleeve like this with piping.